Hey everyone, this is Omar. So today's video is about finding the topic to pitch Webmasters for link acquisition. So for this video, I'm going to use take them outside as an example. So let's suppose I have a camping website and I want a link from this website, right? So what you need to do is simply find the competitors of this domain or this prospect from which you want a link. So it's fairly simple. Head over to the Site Explorer in Ahrefs and enter the domain of your target prospect and select domain here from this drop down. And then you need to open the organic competitors report. I did it to save the time, just not to make this video long. So just analyze the top 5 to 7 competitors and find 3 domains that are highly relevant to your prospect, right? So I found these 3 domains. First one, this, and then this, and then this one. These were highly relevant domains to my prospect, right? So then you need to open the content gap report, right? So just enter those 3 domains here. Embracing the wind, I'm on the outside, camping for 4 days, and then hit show keywords. All right, so let's wait for the report to load. Okay, so we have the report here. So just select 3 targets from the intersection filter and then hit apply. Okay, so you now have all of these keywords that those 3 websites are ranking, but your target prospect is not ranking for, right? So just search for these keywords in Google and just pitch them the best topics to write on. So my pro tip here is just do not pitch more than 2 topics, right? This is because if you are giving them more options, let's suppose 3 to 4 topics, they will really struggle to select one of them. But if you are just pitching 2 topics to them, they will get to know that okay, so this topic is highly relevant to us and we need an article or we need a content about it. So yeah, that's it. I would highly suggest to write about the informational kind of topics. So let's suppose we have here dinner ideas for camping. You can see here all of those 3 websites have the article about dinner ideas for camping, but not your target prospect. So it's a win-win situation. You are pitching them the topic that is best of their interest, and it's highly relevant to their website as well. So yeah, that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. I would love to help, and you can reach out to me directly as well, and I will create a video about finding the right prospects for your website. Thank you. Bye bye.